guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice. If you're new here, welcome to the channel where we make healthy choices in regards to food and try to stay healthy. Today we'll be making very nutritious oat smoothie and my latest detox water. Let's start with the detox water. This is boiled beetroot water after cooling off. Then I proceeded to add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Despite being small in size, they are full of nutrients. It's an excellent source of omega-3, provides fiber, iron, and calcium. Stir your water and give it about 5 minutes or so, until you see the seeds have all soaked up some water, and your water is good to go. It's best taken just after waking up. And I tell you, it's amazing. Beetroot water is too strong for you, try it with plain water, no harm. And now, on to our first smoothie. We have sliced mango, down below where we're using milk. Feel free to use normal milk and some water. Always a good idea to add in your liquids first. I'll just wash off the milk with some water. Before going further, I had soaked up some chia seeds 5 minutes ago, just to show you how quick and fast it absorbs water. Alright, add in your sliced mango, and check on the consistency. If need be, add water. This smoothie can keep you full for a long period of time. Soaked oats. I ended up using just 1 banana. Diced beetroot, vanilla essence, totally optional. On this smoothie, I soaked 2 teaspoons of chia seeds, forms like a jelly jam. It also helps the smoothie get thicker. Lastly, our natural fat from the avocado. Always start with your liquids. Add your overnight oats, or you can soak 10 to 20 minutes prior to making the smoothie. Next, your beetroot, your natural fat, aka avocado, your banana, which is going to help natural sugar. Next, chia seeds. Lastly, a few drops of vanilla essence. One thing left to do, blend. Once again, consistency depends on your preference, though a thick smoothie keeps you full for long. there goes your second smoothie. No added sugar, all natural. What's your favorite? Which one do you think you'll try out